here we go. So on this day we just ran stainless steel cable to the balcony that we installed. We built a balcony, installed it. Now we're running the cables today. So I'm just walking around showing the final product. At the end of the video I'll show how we installed the wires in the garage of this house. But for now, this is how it looks. We did 1x3 flat bar at the top. Those posts are just a flat bar welded to another piece of flat bar at 90 degrees with that angle that we cut into it, and we made holes to run the wire. Very simple, clean looking, sexy. And the first and last post, as you see over there, it's the double flat bar, because the first and last post hold all the pressure, and you need that double post to hold all the pressure, because that wire is about 50 feet long each, and it's under a lot of tension. We are deciding what we're going to do the rest of the day. Or we were supposed to go on another job where we have to weld, but they were not ready, so we decided just to install that small steps in the garage.
This works really well.
Good. I could take all the tools, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, this guy's not responding, so it's obviously going to be all right.
That sucks. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna. Okay.
We got the stairs.
Oh, should we do that welding?
No, it's not ready yet. I talked to
Okay.
he said they haven't drilled. They're going to do like a 5-inch round
Okay.
in the welding. And I said, how are you going to do that? I said, I went to the store and I bought them the holes, so. Okay. You know they're wood ones.
Yeah.
So 5-inch.
To the steel?
Yeah, to the center of the beam.
Huh. Okay.
I told him we can make them a square one. We can do mag drill.
Yeah.
Like 1-inch holes, and then cut it with the grinder. And we nice round hole. But he wants a couple like this.
So we're doing the one in the garage then, yeah?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
I'm gonna take out the tools with this now.
Okay.
So yeah, this.
Here we go, inside the house we did the rails, left and right side, and the grab bar. And here's the 3 steps that we're gonna, the rail for the 3 steps that we're gonna install right now.
Okay. Okay.
This is the finished product. This is how it looks once installed, just to give a visual. And here we go. On one end of the stainless steel, we cramp one of this and we run the wire to the post. At the other end, on the other post, we're going to put receivers. We install it. Make sure it's plumb. Install. Bolt. We install a swaging stud and use that hydraulic machine to cramp the heck out of it.
Okay.
I mean, the stainless steel wire will break before this thing falls off. It has that much pressure. And we use a hex key to tighten the heck out of it. And that's it. Do that 8 times and you're done.